In short, George Washington presided over a time when the Republic was facing real struggles. To be sure, in 1795, Washington was optimistic that the nation could face its challenges. His leadership in finding diplomatic solutions to problems, his emphasis on acting justly to those from whom the United States might expect the same, these were all things that I think are valuable for us today, just as they were in the 1790s.
But I think we have to start with the first thing he said, and that is, do the impeachment hearings affect how the world sees the United States?
Whatever political party you vote for, we look at values, not partisanship, and we have seen the devaluation of American society. We have seen polarization occur like no other, and unfortunately with polarization, when people take sides, they leave a vacuum, and within that vacuum comes hate.
Abroad, there is a segment of people who think, oh, this is political theater, and there is a segment of people who think that what President Trump did shows that our alliances are fundamentally up for sale.
So let's just look at some facts that have happened over the last several years. Last year was the 4th deadliest year on record for domestic extremist-related killings in the United States. We have had a 21% increase, and I work very closely with RAL and the ADL and have for years, a 21% increase in anti-Semitic crimes over the last year. So I think this is bigger than the impeachment. It is about really what kind of country we are, what kind of people we are as a nation as we go through this now.
Cyber has become the primary way that nations conduct short-of-war operations against each other now.
And there are multiple ways that makes it less safe in the cyber world, including, they build their communities out of the cyber world. And so just as we use the cyber world to build our, to contact our families and build our communities, they are using it for the same reason.
But more importantly, what I'm concerned about, and others in the intelligence community, are our relationships with our international partners. America First was the slogan for the centennial celebration of the Ku Klux Klan. And they had challenge coins made that said, America First, preserve racial purity, that they distributed that year. So when people hear certain phrases, like the people at RAL and I deal with, America First means something really different. That's code speak for them, coming from the President of the United States. Along with many other statements and many other actions that have happened that we assume mean something really noble, and they assume now is a wink and a nod to move forward.